Hey guys, welcome to On the Job with Chris. And today it's just gonna be like a little daily vlog of me just doing my work. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get into this work. So let's go. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I'm finally done with the kitchen counter. This is where I started at, so I'm gonna just step aside right quick so you all can see the progress on where it's at. So as you can see the white caulk going around the kitchen counter. You see the white going all the way around. That's it. That's all I had to do. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate everybody who view my videos, who watch, who subscribe, who like my stuff. I appreciate it, man. And I wanted to let y'all know that I do sell digital products, digital PDF files. Like say if you need help with like moving out of your apartment and you're not sure like what to do or what you need to clean and stuff in order to not get charged. You can go on my website in the description. You can go on my website and you can buy the download, and it'll tell you everything you need to move out your house or to move inside your house, so you won't get charged. And so without further ado, make sure y'all check that out. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and I'm gone.